The 11-foot by 92-inch IMT crane body. Equipped with a powerful 3,820-pound IMT crane featuring a 22-foot reach and wireless remote, this truck is built for precision and efficiency. With an 84-inch cab-to-axle design, PTO hydraulic system, and rear hydraulic outriggers, it's ready to tackle any work site. Store your tools securely in 8 spacious compartments, complete with a convenient draw pack. The hydraulic-driven IMT air compressor and hose reel keep you powered up, while the 19-inch rear workbench bumper offers a sturdy workspace. Rust-free and built to last, this crane body is your reliable partner. Contact DTI Trucks today for more details and a shipping quote.